Use the following graph for the next 3 questions. And they give you 2 graphs. They give you f of x and g of x. Select all of the values for which f of x is less than g of x. So once again, they give you the function f of x, which is this one here. And they give you the function g of x, which is also a line and is given to you guys here. And you want the values of x where f of x is going to be smaller, less than g of x. So let's go through the first one. A is equal to -4. So x is equal to -4, which is right here. So therefore your function, even though it's off the graph, for f function will be somewhere up here. And for your g function is right here. So your f function, let's say it's about 10, and your g function is about -4. So is f of x smaller than g of x? No, f of x is bigger. Let's continue with letter B. When x is equal to 0, f of x is 3, and g of x is -2. So is f of x less than g of x? No, f of x is bigger. So that's not it. And if you notice, f of x is going to start getting less than g of x right after 2. At 2, they will be equal. They both will be -1. So let's continue. If x is equal to -1/3, positive 1/3, which is right here, f of x will be a little bit greater than 2, and g of x will be right here. So is f of x less than? No, it's bigger than. At 2, both of them will be equal to -1. So f of x is not less than, it's equal, but that does not apply. At 3 is when f of x starts to get smaller than g of x. So is an answer. And for 15, even though it's off the graph, let's say it's right over here, f of x will be way down here, even lower, and g of x will be over here. So is f of x smaller than g of x? Yes. So therefore your answers are F, E, and F.